Civil servants have begun receiving their salaries in the new ZiG currency, yet concerns persist regarding its market performance and value stability. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel. Minister of Finance, Economic Development and Investment Promotion Mthuli Ncube said civil servant salaries for April will be paid on time. He said electronic ZiG payments will be deposited into accounts on scheduled paydays. Civil servants who spoke to CITE expressed skepticism over the new currency, saying it would also end up depreciating like the previous ZWL currency. Minister Ncube said the Treasury will build a mechanism in anticipation of external shocks since the ZiG currency is backed by hard assets such as gold. In today's news, civil servants receive ZiG salaries amid concerns over value stability. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.